What's going on, guys? It's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with well, I'm home. So, what does that mean? Well, let's show you. Got a little stuff. What's in all the boxes? Well, shall we find out? Let's start here. And, well, drives. NVMe drives. Lots of them. For, well, a coal machine. And the nut boxes we're building. So, let's go to this one. Ready, and a whole bunch of RAM. So this is all DDR4 2666 megahertz, also for the coal machine and the NUC boxes. All of these are 8 gigabyte sticks minus probably these first two, and they are both 16s. So I will be running 32 gigs in my NUC box and 8 gigs in the rest, and then 16, so 2 8s in my son's Bazite build. So let's on to the next box, right? Set that there. Ready? And well, it's a GPU. This one is actually from our beloved Sadie. I actually hung out with her on my way back from my last work trip, and well, this is a non-LHR, if I'm not mistaken, 3060 12 gig EVGA XC. Actually, I have a whole bunch of these inside of my rig in the garage or the well house, but this one is actually going for my son's Bazite build for him to play games, as well as be able to run it in desktop mode, do some CAD work, because he has a 3D printer, and so he's working on all of that skills as well, and he needs something that's going to be capable of doing that we can build that is relatively small. And the NUC builds that we're building are about 7 liters. So yeah. Alright. So let's move that over. The shelf is getting full. But on to the next package. Ready? And so actually, before I go any further, super shout out to Coin Mining Central, because I know exactly what this is. If you follow me on Twitter, you know what this is. And super shout out to them for sending this over. And well, we won a giveaway. So year 2, we won on Thanksgiving last year. We actually won the KSO Pro, which I traded some Jellyfish coin and that KSO Pro to Sadie for this. And now this is the winnings of this year. So let's shout out to them. Hit the like button, subscribe button, the bell notification, all the good stuff. And well, here we go, guys. Gold Shill Mini Doge 3. Oh, stickers. I like stickers. What? That's kind of cool. Well, let's get this out of the box. That thing is slick. So yeah, Mini Doge 3, no power supply, so I'll have to hook this thing up to, I have an ATX power supply I can hook this thing up to and get this up and running like ASAP, because 400 watts at 650 mega hashes on the script algorithm. So we'll actually go over to Mining Dutch, if I'm not mistaken, which we can merge mine all of the coins possible on this and get a little bit better than what we're projected on the calculators, because at my current rate it brings home $1.70 a day, and I know for a fact it'll make more than that. So videos coming soon on this, and we're going to get this plugged in like ASAP while we're home and doing stuff, because I'm home, but I'm still working. Yeah, lots of stuff. We gotta dig into that. Man, that is so nice. Shout out to Coin Mining Central, guys. All right. Oh, running out of room, so I don't want to uncover that because shipping label. But on to the next one. So you know the drill. 3, 2, 1. So what do we got, guys? I see things, packages. What did we do, guys? What did we do? More EVGA cards. These ones are different because these are actually 3060 Ti's. I got a box of 3060 Ti's. How many? Well, let's find out. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 3060 Ti's. One of these will actually be inside of my NUC build. These two are actually non-LHR cards. Those two are. So, pretty cool. We have 4 of those. One of those, that's the oldest GPU, but more EVGAs to the fleet. I miss EVGA. So, let's right, fan flick for the panda flick. Now, let's go to the next box. And what? Also, shout out GoldenWolf. Thank you for these, by the way, my dude. You're amazing. Sadie. eBay. RetroMykel. Alright. What do we have here? Looks like the other V2 Pro NUCs. These are going in the Canon builds. So, and alright, so here we are. Core i7 9th Gen V Pros. Really like these ones. And these are going in the Canon NUC builds you see over there. So, let's go into the last box. That's from our boy RetroMykel. So shout out to RetroMykel. Boo on GitHub for messing up his account. So let's go and it is the Intel NUC Extreme kit. So it's just another NUC, but I traded RetroMykel the i5 that comes in this, the i5 that is in mine, for this. So he got his for a pretty good deal compared to what I got mine for. And yeah. Also, this box is in 10 times better shape. There. So, just a empty NUC shell, which is where the i7 V2 Pro will live. And then this slot right here will be for GPUs. So, as you can see, this is like literally the bare minimum requirement. So you can only have 2 DINs and, well, like no more than 8 inches of a GPU inside of this nut case, because it's only 7 liters. So really limits it down, especially these days with all the thick graphics cards. So shout out to Sadie and GoldenWolf, because I'll be using a 3060 Ti. My son's using a 3060, 12 gigabyte for his. So super awesome. Y'all are awesome. And well, thank you, GoldenWolf. Thank you, eBay's random eBay sellers. Thank you, Coin Mining Central, for the mini Doge. Shout out little man over there. But man, that thing is wild. Be sure, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. So, way you're up to date, and well, you know, it's the right thing to do, right? So, much love. Peace out. Stay freaking savage. See you all in the next one. Keep your hash rates up, your wants down low, and, well, keep on mining. Never stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Bitcoin mining.